Hi everybody and welcome to another After Effects tutorial. My name is Eitan and today I will be showing you how to do a few different forms of transitions. So this is the first one. So you can sort of get the idea. You can do this as elaborately or as quickly as you want. And just make it sort of come on like that, or an alternate method, and this is sort of a simple demonstration of it, is just sort of like that. So we'll be looking at two very different methods to make your own transitions, and like I said, this is a simple version of this one, but maybe in this tutorial I'll show you how to do a little bit more of an advanced one. So let's get started with the first method. So we'll drag our, in this case, picture, but video works too, into our composition, and so the first thing we're going to do is go to the pen tool. So what you can do is mask out something you want in the beginning. You can also use the rectangle tool for this, or something like that. So there, you have your first mask, so I'm going to hit M to bring up the mask. So then, here we go, so then we can just we can set this mask to none. So there we go. So then, we can go and make our next shape, and set that to none. And keep going until you've done the whole thing. So I'm just going to make a few really big ones so we can do this a little faster. Okay, and then there we go. So I've covered everything now. So now we can switch all these back to add. So how we're going to do that, click on one of them, either bottom or the top, and just because this one already is on add, then go up to the other one, and then select add, and it'll change them all to add. So now what we can do is go into these masks. I'm, again, shift clicking on all of them, and I'm going to hit MM. So here we have our mask opacity. So this is where it gets a bit tedious. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit. The first mask we want to come in, we're going to keyframe first. So we're going to set it 0 at the beginning, and then by however many seconds we want. So we'll say 1 second, 100. Then, here we go, 0, 100, 0, 100, and these are spaced out a lot more than I did my last one. The last one, it was just within a few frames. I think I did, like, skip forward 2 frames, set it to 100, skip forward another 2 frames, set that to 0, 1, 2, to 100, etc. But I'll go back to the way I was doing it before. Okay, there we go. So we've set our keyframes, and I'm just going to move forward a little and hit N. So that'll end the composition. There we go. So now, if we go back to the beginning, we can see that we have our transition. You'll want to time them more evenly. I was just trying to show you the speed at which I did that other one. But, so that's how you can do custom transitions like this. Now on to method number 2. So we'll drag our footage into a new composition again. Okay, so instead of doing the effects directly on the layer, what we're going to do is make a new solid. So I'm just going to make it white. So then we'll go to our masking tool, just do a basic little shape, and then hit M and set a keyframe for the mask path. So then over time we'll expand this. We can add more vertices. And you can make this in the form of a shape or something if you wanted. This is just a quick little one. And then finish it off. There we go. So if we play it back, and at the very beginning we can actually bring these all in. Perfect, just like that. So now we see a shape expand to fill the screen. So now what we can do is set this layer's track matte, the bottom layer, to alpha matte, and then the layer above it, and then we'll see it come in like that. This is a good way if you want to make it come in the form of shape, or you can do this with text, or whatever you want. So those are two different ways to do custom transitions. So they're just customize things a little, make it different, and like I said, you can add in text so it actually fits the scene with the transition. And the space is black underneath could be whatever video you had before. This is all transparent. So, thank you for watching this After Effects tutorial. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.